Does Royal York charge an application fee? Absolutely not. In Ontario, it is illegal to charge any application fee. What we do charge is a verification fee, which means that you have a right to get verified by Royal York Property Management. What does that mean? That means you're going to upload all of your documentation. You're also going to fill out a comprehensive rental application agreement where we are going to screen you as a tenant. This is a service that you're hiring us for, which is called Verified by Royal York. It's actually a great program, because if you do not get approved by Royal York, you can elect to pay us for this service separately. You don't pay an application fee to apply. That's no such thing. But if you do go ahead with the verification and verified by Royal York, you upload all your documentation and then we send you a secured link. This link is password protected. And when a landlord opens up that link, you send it to whatever landlord you wish to send that link to. The landlord is able to now open the link and now be able to know that Royal York has done a very thorough background check on every one of those documents. 2 pieces of government ID. They'll have an internal credit report that Royal York has pulled. They'll have a legal background check that we've done on you. They will also have their employment letter, pay stubs, bank statements, ownership of vehicle, everything that you need. And there's also a phone number and a code for the landlord to call Royal York to ask us for verification. Now, why would tenants do this? Well, maybe a tenant has a difficult time getting approved. So we essentially act almost as a co-signer for the tenant. So when you provide them this link, you could tell them that, hey, Royal York will also guarantee me, meaning that if I don't pay my rent, Royal York will pay my rent. And that is something that we're able to offer to a tenant, to now go to a tenant and say, I have insurance that if I lose my job, my fee of the rental payments that I am obligated to pay on the 1st of every month will be covered by Royal York. So you don't ever have to be concerned or worried about that. And actually, when you sign up for this rental guarantee and the tenant is even paying for this fee, the tenant pays the rent to Royal York every month, not to the landlord. And Royal York becomes responsible of whether or not we've collected these payments from the tenant to always cover the rental payments to the landlord no matter what.